Hi everyone, this is Cherie. Welcome back to I Love Thai Food. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and ginger stir fry. This video is my first cook along video. So we will cook together in real time and I can show you how easy and quick cooking Thai food really can be. Let's get started. I haven't included Thai soybean paste in this video. It's not easy to find in a local supermarket, but if you have it, just add it. It will help your dish become even more delicious. You can buy black mushrooms in Asian supermarkets. If you don't have it, just leave it. Now we are preparing our sauces and leave it on the side. Heat up the pan. Check the temperature. And then add the cooking oil. Next, we will cook along together. Keep all the ingredients next to you. When the oil is hot, add the garlic. You can hear the sizzling. We will cook until the garlic is golden. Next, we add the chicken. Move and seal the chicken. Notice the chicken. When it cooks around 70%, add the oyster sauce. Continue cooking and coating chicken with the sauce. Now you can notice that most chicken is cooked. So we will prepare to add ginger and sauces. Add ginger, next we add our sauces. Coat everything with the sauces. At this point, we can add some chilies, smell really good now. We add water and then close the lid. So we close the lid around 20 seconds. Let everything steam in the pan. Open the lid and then stir. Next, we will add black mushrooms and white pepper. Stir them together and prepare to close the lid again. Open the lid, stir, and add red chilies. Finally, add a pinch of salt. Now it's done. Chicken ginger stir-fried is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the notification bell to never miss a video.